Hey, welcome back. In today's video, we are trying to explain wall sweeps and reveals. First thing first, where is these things that are located? Just go to the architecture tab, and in the build panel, you have the wall icon. Just click on it, and you have your wall sweep and you have your wall reveal. Okay, you can see it's grayed out. Why is this? Because two reasons. One is that we don't have a wall to add these sweeps or reveals, and we are in the plan mode or in the plan view, so we have to be in the 3D. Okay, so this is wall sweep. It says creates a wall sweep by extruding a profile along a path. Open an elevation view, an elevation, see, or a 3D view to create a wall sweep. Use wall sweeps to model elements such as baseboards and crown molding. Okay, we have wall reveal. Extrudes a profile along a path to create a cutout in a wall. So it cuts from the wall to create a wall reveal. So we should open a 3D view or elevation view. To select a profile for the reveal, use the type select. Okay, you just have to select it. And this was to add it. Okay, so just go to wall architecture and let's have our type. Let's say we have exterior render on brick on block. Just have one here. So just click on modify and you can see something like this. Just go to the fine. Okay, you have the fine on the detail level. So you have our wall. Just go to the 3D. You can make it fine again and go to the back and let's see our things. This is actually what we don't want. Let's change this type of wall. Okay, let's make it brick on MTL STUD because the other one had its reveals. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to the wall. Just go to the drop down menu and you have your wall sweep. Just click on it and it tells me modify place wall sweep. In the wall modify place wall sweep tab, we have a placement panel and you have horizontal icon and vertical icon. Okay, so the horizontal one is that you can put it horizontally, see, something like this, or you can put it vertically. So I'm going with the horizontal for the first time for testing it. You can place it anywhere you want. You can change it later on. Just click on here and you can see you cannot see it. Just go back and forth or zoom in or zoom out, or sometimes you have to go out from the command. Let's go to the modify and you see your reveal. Okay, something like this. You can select it and play with this temporary dimension, how high you want to be. For example, I want to be 90 centimeters. Okay, or 100 centimeters, like this. You can sweep it between, or flip it, flip it between these lines. Okay, or you can say that I want to have it from this side. You can change it from this side too. Let's make it 650. It will add 50 to the 100. Okay, so now this is 150. Okay, something like this. Let me just go to the course. Okay, and yeah, to the course it will be better. So let me say that I want to change this. Let me just drag it. You can choose this drag points. So you don't want the sweep starting from here. Just take it from here. Okay, so something like this. So if you notice that you cannot change it to the up, it's only in this horizontal direction where you put it and change it from here. Okay, so you can go to the to where, let's just add it till here and extend it till here. Okay, you can extend it till here too, but this is not what I want. I will just click on it and return it to its back. It snaps to here and it returns to its normal. Okay, so I want to change this type of it. You can see that we have only the cornice and you can see no any other types. Don't worry, just go to the edit type and let's edit it. You can go to the profile and test out the other things. We have only MC shape profile. Just apply on it, and you can see your you have your this shape. Okay, let's go here and try to going to the default and apply it. Okay, something like this. Okay, another thing is that when you click on this, you can see the add and remove walls. What is this? This is when you have an extra walls or other walls, you can just connect it. Let's have another wall. Let's have a wall from here till here. Okay, let me change it. Yep, change it to this type, and I'm selecting this, and I'll say add or remove walls. Just click on it, and it will add it to it. You see, something like this will be created. You have to zoom in and zoom out. Sometimes a problem of highlighting will appear. So if I want to remove it, just click on this and remove it. Okay, like this. Just delete this. Okay, let's go to the wall sweep again and see the vertical one like this. Just click on it and you can see nothing. You should zoom in and zoom out like this and you can see it. Okay, so let me see. You can again start from here to change it as we said, and you can change it from here. Let's make it 2 meters like this. Okay, if I select it, it says that we can remove it. Okay, so no problems. We will have no problems. Okay, so you can change it like this, and that's it. Let's go to the other one, which is reveal. Just select these and delete them. Okay, delete them and go to the wall reveal. Okay, it's the same mechanism, just like vertical one. It will just uh, show something like this. You should zoom in and zoom out. This is how it works. Okay, so when I exit, you can see it's not cutting. So I'm going modify, and you can see it's cutting. Let's go to the other one. I mean the horizontal one. Okay, like this, and you can restart reveal. You can restart it. Okay, restart and restart. Okay, what does that means? That you want to have another one. Okay, for example, I want to have another reveal and restart. Go to the vertical one and restart. It's giving you options to add more. Okay, for example, I did something like this. It's same for the sweep. For example, I'm adding something from the horizontal one, and I'm restarting wall sweep, and something like this will pop up. Restart sweep, and I can add more like this. Let me delete this. Let me talk a little bit about the sweep. The same mechanism, just you have to change these, and you can change the height, make it 500 like this, or change the height of these. Okay, from here, and change it from the other sides. Let's make it 500 like this, and you can change the profile of it if you want. You can go to the profile and change it. You can see you have these types. You have M reveal brick course. You can just apply it. You have different types. You see, you have different types. Okay, let's see it. Yeah, this is reveal, and it's cutting it. Okay, it's cutting uh, the wall. Let's extract it till here. Extract it till here. So the profile changed. You see, so it's acting. It's cutting small the things small. So you can change it to brick. It will change. You see, you can change it to other ones. It will change. It will be higher, or the MC shapes, as we said. You see, let's go with the three bricks and apply. Okay, like this, something like this will be created. So if you don't want uh, happen to all the things, just go to here, the default one, and come to here and duplicate this. Okay, duplicate, and it will automatically will be named reveal 2, and change this to brick 3, 3 bricks, like this. You see? And let me go to the sweep again and add something like this, and let me see. Let's go to the profile, and you can see this is not nothing added. I think this is a glitch or something like this, because I cannot see any profiles except profiles. Okay, so this is how we could add the things manually, okay, by our hand. But this is if you have many things like this, it is actually a tedious work, you know. It's a tedious and make you tired. Okay, so what I can do if I want to have a sweep automatically, I have many walls and I want to have a sweep. Okay, you can add the sweeps or add the walls to it as we did, but this is not an active or good way, successful way. So go to the edit type. I'm showing you the a thing that is, go to the structure and edit, and go to the preview. You have something like this. I'm saying show me the section. Yeah, show me the section. View section, modify type. Why is this? Why I want this? If I close this, you can see that modify vertical structure section preview only. It only shows in the section preview only. And when you click on this, it will show the section. If I go to the plan, it will not be shown. So go to the section. I have sweeps and reveals. You see, just click on the sweeps, and you can add your sweeps, or you can load the family, load profile. I'm going with the add, and we will have our things. For example, I want to have, you can choose a profile, which is for the sweep was 2 profiles, or you can change a material or choose a material from here. Let's say it's gypsum, let's say, okay, and add it, and let's apply it. You can see your sweep here. You can have a distance from it, let's say 100 centimeters, and apply. It will go up 100 centimeters, and you can flip it around. What does flip that means? It's like this when we did it in the other one manually. And we can have the base, like where does it start from the base? It's from here, from the bottom. So 100 from here. If I want to make it vice versa, I will go to the top. If I apply, it gives me could not create integral wall sweep of for wall instance. Sweep position is outside of its wall. Please check sweep parameters. So what does that mean? So when I make it in the top, this is 100, so it goes out. The sweep is going out from the boundary of the wall. So I'm going to make this one 0, okay, and make this one top, apply. Now you can see it here. If you flip it, it will comes inside, you see. So another thing is that it says the orientation, or before explaining the orientation, we have the distance. Let's make it 100. If we make it 100, it's a problem. You should make it negative, okay? Keep that in mind. So it will be here, or you can flip it again. And we have the orientation. Let me just extend this. Perpendicular to face, yep. And we have parallel to ground. What does that mean? Okay, we have parallel to ground. Let's see it. We have it here. It's parallel to the ground, okay? And let me go to the edit type again. Let's go to the sweeps, the sweep that we had, or perpendicular to the face, which is the same meaning, I think. So it doesn't matter. And another thing is that is it exterior or interior. So if I make it interior and apply, it will go to the interior side. And we have exterior, it goes to the outside. We have the offset. If I make it 20 centimeters, it goes out from here. Or make it, let's say, negative 100, it goes to here. So it's depending on you. If I want to have 10 centimeters from here, it's going to this side. If I want to the interior side, so 10 centimeters from here. So I'm keeping it at the normal one and apply it. And we have setback. Let's come to here. If I have a setback from here, what does that setback means? Nothing changed here. That setback, let me show you something. Let me apply, and okay. When I have, let me make this one the reveal to the bottom, the sweeps, I mean. So make it from the base and make this one, let's say 200 or 100. Yeah, 100 is good. Apply it and it comes down. Okay, and you can see something like this. If I place a door here here, DR is the shortcut. Okay, you have a wall, a door here, but you can see this the sweep is interacting and it does not have any limits for it. You see, what can I do is that select the wall and go to the edit, and you can go to the sweeps and go to the setback. For example, I want to have 12 centimeters setback, okay, something like this, and it will have a setback. You can make it 10. Let's see what happens. So make it 10. Let's see what happens. Let me apply it, and you can see it's sitting on it, nearly sitting on it. Okay, it's not interacting with the door. So let me go to the sweep. And what does this means? Let me just close this and bring this here. Sweep and cut walls. This is actually, it will cut the wall, something like this. Let me go to here. This is actually not meaningful for the sweep. It's meaningful for the reveal. It cuts the wall if it's interact with it. For example, if I make it offset -1, it will interact with it and it cuts the wall. Okay, if I disable this, it will like it's overlapping over each other. It's not shown here, but it's doing this. And you can make the sweep cuttable. Make it cuttable and it cuts and it will be cuttable. Okay, like this. You see, zoom in or zoom out. This is, if you can add more things if you want. You can make it in the base. And let's see it. Yeah, from here. You see, and you can go to the sweep. So it's here down below. Go to the sweeps and you can select it here and delete it or duplicate it. Okay, okay, and you can have your reveals. Same thing, you can just add it and have a distance from, let's say, 50 centimeters from the base. Okay, and yeah, like this, and you can have the setbacks. Okay, and it's cutting it from here. You can change the properties from the base offset, make it 12 and it will go inside, or -1, a little bit out, like this. Okay, and we can have our setback for the door again, the setback to be 10. Yep, like this. And let's see it. Yeah, let's see what we created. It has this opening like this. See, and if I add another wall here, let me see what happens. Let me sweep it, flip it with space, and something like this will be created. Or any walls I am creating here, like this. Let me see it. You see, same thing uh, appeared to be happening to them. This was sweep and reveal. See you in the next video. Goodbye.